There's a ton of babies already. That's insane. I feel like they've just been dropping like flies. So right now I'm just checking to see what new babies were born. Just checking the mom's tag so I can get that documented down for our records. And get a head count on all the babies that we have. Oh, there's the little black guy. God, he's so cute. Here's a new one. We'll say that was a Saturday baby. He looks pretty well off. Oh my gosh, look at him.
He's so close.
If you don't have the right exposure or like see him with your own eyes, he looks fake, like in some of the pictures. You know the little babies on Shrek? Fiona and
Yeah.
Shrek's kids, with their little ears? That's what the calves look like.
Yeah.
Gosh, there's a ton of babies already. That's insane.
Is it pretty early for so many?
I think so. Last year, I mean, it was kind of steady, but it wasn't to this extent.
Mm-hmm.
Once the two were born, a few weeks ago, I feel like they've just been dropping like flies.
Wow. I think Bryce said something about like weather events causing them to have babies.
Yeah.
Can you explain that?
It's more or less like the pressure change, and it kind of induces labor. But me and Josh would always say, oh, there's a storm coming. There'll probably be some babies.
Mm-hmm.
But when they were born 2 weeks ago, there really wasn't any storms that were coming, but I just think everyone was right on the verge. Look at him. Headbutting the mom. That's so funny. Everyone's pretty fired up. I need to get in front of these guys. Jeez, everyone is moving. Slow her down.
Yeah, they're not messing around.
I don't want to chase them. The little babies are just keeping right up.
The babies almost seem faster.
Yeah, they can get up and go. Look at him go. Oh my gosh. I don't know what their deal is. Won't have an accurate count today. Your baby's right with you. I wonder what's got him so fired up. It's weird.
Yeah.
There's only been 2 born at the visitor center so far. I was only expecting 2, but one of the 3-year-olds had a calf. Let's see what Miss Patricia's up to today. You want a scratchy? These yearlings are curious now. Hi, children. 23, 24. So that yearling had a white dot on its eye. So I'm just writing that down to keep record of that in case anything else comes up with it. This cow right here is supposed to have a calf, but she doesn't. Where is your child? Did you lose it? I don't like that. What are you doing, buddy? I'm guessing all these yearlings that are hanging out over here are ones that their moms have calves, so they got kicked out.
Finally.
Yeah. This lady's fired up. I'm gonna get out of here. I might have to come back out later or tomorrow morning, check those other ones. I don't know what their deal is. So every morning I'll come out and I'll check the bison. Usually I'm coming out to check cows that have calves with them and just get a head count on how many new calves we have each day, get the mom's tag number for our records. So we know that she did have a calf in case there's a possible loss. And then we'll double check my work in December when we work the calves, and we'll run my records against the actual DNA that we get back to see who the mom was.